D&ITEAM? It's your girl, Holly.
What's up, D&ITEAM? It's your boy.
What's up, D&ITEAM? It's your girl, Ali.
It's your boy, DeQuay.
We gotta talk a little louder, but
anyway, we finna do that would you rather video, you feel me?
challenge. And we eating. We ain't never did, we ain't never did like a talking video and eating. But we doing would you rather.
Man, look at that. Look how big that is.
When y'all hear us say a question, make sure that so y'all like respond. Comment down below what would you rather do.
Yeah.
Oh,
you
wait.
feel me? Say you grace, say you grace.
I ain't even taste this food.
Anyway, D&ITEAM, we finna keep these videos dropping. You know, we've been laying off on the video, but guess what? Today Valentine's Day, so anyway, happy Valentine's Day to all y'all.
Comment happy Valentine's Day in the comments. Can I get some of your ranch when you finish?
Comment, you can get it. I told you I need some more. I don't know if I'm gonna need it.
Okay. But let's get our food.
Let us get our food right and we're gonna kick it off.
Okay, y'all. First question. Would you rather get $5 million or find true love?
You can go
Ladies
first.
first.
Ladies first.
Of course, I'm gonna choose $5 million. Why not? When I already found my true love. So what you saying?
That's a good one. I'm gonna have to agree with her on that one. I'm to the $5 million because I already got my baby with me. You feel me? I already got my baby.
That's good. Okay. Next question. Would you rather be poor and happy or rich and mad? You can go first this time. You know what I'm choosing?
Rich and mad. I say rich and mad because, I mean, money, you know what I'm saying, it don't just make you happy, but you'll have better days, you feel me? But you'll be able to pay your bills and, you know what I'm saying, still put smiles on other folks' face. What you say?
I choose poor and happy because eventually, if you happy, your mindset will change and you will get better and you know where you want to be at. So if you have a positive attitude about things, you can get what you want done.
That's good.
Okay, next. Would you rather someone cheat and confess or cheat and keep it a secret? You might as well go ahead and tell me, like, don't have me out here looking like a fool. But I know I ain't gonna never do that, period, boo.
Me personally, even when you do, and I find out, we do. So, yeah, that's my comment on that.
You still gotta choose.
Cheat and confess.
Me too. Okay. Would you rather be homeless together or break up and won't be homeless?
Homeless together.
Right.
Homeless together.
I agree with that.
You
Why?
did. Because I love you.
Like I said,
Why would you
happiness.
want to be homeless and together then, you know what I'm saying, break?
And still, happiness take you a long way. Having a positive attitude, outlook on
There
your
y'all
day.
go. There y'all go.
Oh, look at that steel. It's good.
Come on, boo. Come on, let the phone go.
Okay. Would you rather go to jail for 5 years or not talk to me for 5 years? Or not talk to each other for 5 years?
Boy, I'm gonna go lay down so I can talk to you. I'm gonna go lay down.
I was gonna say that. Like, I'm sorry, but I can't go without my food, so.
I'm gonna go lay down.
I mean, look at my salad. Can y'all see it? Some other people be like this. Ooh.
Ooh, it dropped.
Okay.
One bite there. Sure, it's fine.
You wanna taste my salad?
Yeah, hold on. What we at? 6.
Okay. Would you rather have all girls or all boys? Like as kids?
As a family?
Yeah. What would you do?
All girls.
Agree?
All girls. Okay.
Look at him on the baby.
You get some of that cheese.
I want girls too.
We'll get it. Oh. You gonna be big for some more?
It is good.
No,
That's what she would eat, but I do all girls too. Would you rather eat me or I eat you to survive?
y'all already know me. Let me
That's how I feel. You ain't.
I want her to live over me. You know
I want you to eat me. If you had to, just go ahead and eat me.
Well, we just gonna have to go find us something to eat.
Would you rather stay in or go out on a date? Like, would you rather like go out to a restaurant or would you rather sit at home?
I say stay in, get the meal right. Got my old lady done.
Y'all, he just skipped
Put my
over
little
me
rose.
answering, then he answering.
Put my little roses up. You know what I'm saying? She get it decorated and I got the candles lit. So to have a good, you know what I'm saying, conversation and vibe. What you would do, dude? You rather go to a restaurant or stay at home?
With me, I like to stay at home, but for this, I think I want us to go out on the date because I like us to dress up. We be looking so good, so I want us to go out. Shop for outfits. What we looking like? Would you rather be happy and not achieve a lot, or never be satisfied but achieve a lot?
I would say never be satisfied because, you know what I said it?
Right.
I look at something. You can achieve goal after goal, but never be satisfied about it because you feel like you can always do better. It'll make you go harder, right or wrong. What you think?
I would rather be happy and not achieve a lot. Simple, because if you achieving it and not satisfied with it, what was your point? Like, what did you do it if it wasn't gonna satisfy you? Like, wow, you achieved it, but you don't even feel no type of way about it. Boo! You don't even feel no. Oh, wow, I did it. Well, what's the point? You get what I'm saying? Like, I might as well be happy and eventually achieve. I ain't gotta achieve 10,000 things. Okay. Last but not least.
Last but not least.
Would you rather be in a bad relationship for the rest of your life or be single for the rest of your life? I'm gonna go first, and I would definitely be single for the rest of my life because, for one, I'm not gonna be in a relationship knowing I'm not happy. It's toxic. When I can be single, I ain't gotta be in a relationship because I can talk to folks. Like, why would you want to be? Well, you can talk to people and they have you happy. But
She
what
right,
you say?
she right. I'll
What
be
you
single
rather?
too.
But
Be single.
no, we're stuck like Lil.
Need y'all to like
Comment
and subscribe
and share
this video. Man, please drop us a comment. Tell us
Which one would you
videos
rather
y'all
do?
want, you feel me? And which one you would rather do. But you know what I'd rather do right now? I'd rather eat this potato than keep looking up.
Look at it. We got so much left. But make sure you game
Grind.
and go hard.
The 3 G's by D&ITEAM.
D&ITEAM.
You feel me?
We love
Happy
y'all.
Valentine's.
Oh yeah, happy Valentine's, everybody.
And we love y'all.
Peace out.